welcome to Motovlog number 12. I'm almost at the ambient store. Today's ride plan is we're planning to take the Mumbai Expressway, a short stretch, which is the new Sona Expressway. I have just about reached ambient store. Oh wow, lots of bikers today. Always a task to find where our gang is. Oh, they're there. Morning, dog. How are you? Hi. How are you, sir? Secretary. Hi, Aman. Hi. Very well, Preet. Long time. Sachkal, sir. Emirates ka hai? Hawaii ka hai?
Good morning, sir. How are you?
Very well, ji. From the ambient store now, on our way to the Sona Mumbai Expressway. So that was a short ride on the Mumbai Sona Expressway. Heading back now, not very long. That's Karn. He's another wheelie champ in the group. Flies a bike on the road and flies a big A380 in the air. He's down here from Dubai. unfortunately the ride's come to an end. After doing Mumbai Expressway on the Sona Road, we went towards KMP, took a U-turn from there, and the rest of the group has gone to Bristol for breakfast while I decided to head back home as always. I tried getting most of the group in the frame today. I did definitely catch Karn doing a few wheelies. It was a good ride, great weather. I hope this weather lasts, though I know that in another week's time it's going to get really warm. Nonetheless, always fun riding, and I will see you guys next weekend. Have a good Sunday, have a great week, and take care guys. Ciao, bye.